Human brain is one of the most complex and mysterious organs known, giving life to art, sport, personality, and morals. With over 86 billion neurons, 2.5 million gigabytes of storage, and over 50,000 thoughts per day, the human brain is truly astounding. Here are some human brain facts that will make you think twice. Number 1. It can store an estimated 2,500,000 gigabytes. Number 2. The human attention span is shorter than a goldfish. Number 3. The average weight of the adult human brain is 3 pounds. Number 4. Memories are stored for both short-term and long-term use at the same time. Number 5. Vitamin B1 can help improve short and long-term memory. Number 6. Easy access to information can make it harder to remember. Number 7. 5 minutes without oxygen can cause brain damage. Number 8. Those who take a quiz twice are 65% more likely to remember the facts. Number 9. Learning new things increases gray matter in the brain. Number 10. Emotions can alter our brain chemistry. Number 11. It has an average of 50,000 to 70,000 thoughts a day. Number 12. More than 100,000 chemical reactions take place in the brain every second. Number 13. 95% of all decisions are subconscious. Number 14. The brain itself cannot feel pain. Number 15. Human brain can generate 12 to 15 watts of electricity.